How to update the firmware on the Osmo Mobile 2. Ensure that the mobile device is installed and balanced before updating. The Osmo Mobile 2's battery level is more than 30%. Launch DJI Go. New firmware update is available is shown on the screen of the app. Tap Update Now. Tap Download Now. The firmware package will be downloaded. After the firmware is downloaded, tap Start Update. During the update, the system status LED will blink red and green alternatively. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes for the firmware update to complete. After the firmware is updated successfully, the system status LED will be solid green and an Update Complete prompt will be shown. Restart the Osmo Mobile 2. If the app notifies you that firmware update failed or the system status LED is solid red, restart the Osmo Mobile 2 and then update it again. Thank you for watching.